All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me their wall lighting fixtures 2-pack to do an unboxing for you. So you can kind of tell here by the photo exactly what you're getting, but these physically plug into an outlet. So you can mount these anywhere where you're near an outlet and add you a wall light. So nothing important, of course, around the box. These addresses aren't mine, so let's open it up though. All right, so right on top is a complete instruction guide to show you how to wall mount this and how you'd run your cables and how you do everything. So that's helpful. Then, there we go. It's that box. All this tape. Hopefully there's nothing important around this tape. I'm like just slicing it. All right, so we have 2 of these. Definitely watch how deep you cut, because I could have easily sliced open the lamp fixtures. 1, 2, then these are the actual, you know, plugs and everything to plug them in, on off switch, and this little part just screws into here, like so. Then these look like all of your mounting hardware and everything like that, your screws, your lug nuts, everything for tying your cables up, all of that. 2 of those as well, and then 1 more of these. But this is essentially the unboxing of this 2-pack Fabric Shades lighting fixture. So this is everything you'd get. Very easy to put together. Once you get your bulb in, of course, you'd put your top on, and you know, if you mount it to the wall, you've got this option for mounting, and you can plug it right in however you want to do it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.